Hey everybody, this is Joey Becker. I wanted to share with my neurosurgeons how you can grow your referral network on LinkedIn. So I'm going to share my screen, do a quick little walkthrough for you. Now we're on LinkedIn here. I'm going to jump into Sales Navigator, which is free with a 30 free day trial, or you can get it for $86.39 a month. I'm going to go into lead filters here now that I'm in Sales Navigator, and I'm going to jump right into connections. Put in third degree and second degree. Next, we want to go to job titles. So for neurosurgeons, I want to connect with neurologists. I want to do chiropractors. I want to do physical therapists. Let's do family doctors, family physician. I can do general practitioners. Let's do internist. So we have 560,000 results. We need to narrow it down a bit. So I'm going to go to geography. Let's just do Philadelphia, where I'm based out of. So include, I only want to connect with smaller companies, self-employed, up to 50 headcount. Now I have 292 results. Some of the other job titles we could go for would be maybe an orthopedic surgeon. And LinkedIn defaults to the British spelling of orthopedic surgeon. So I'm going to do orthopedic surgeon. It's like I didn't use hospitalist, so I'm going to add that one in. Let's say maybe I want to do a rheumatologist, maybe an oncologist. So this is slowly populating more and more results here. And I can narrow this down even more if I wanted to pick a specific company, a past company, company type. Let's see here, first name, last name, schools, years of experience. If I just want to connect with seniority level, if I just want to connect with owners, there's 36 owners of companies that I can connect with: therapy, physical therapy, a physician, chiropractor, nutritionist, chiropractor, or I can connect with any of these physicians, chiropractors, physical therapists on this list here and go through. And what I would do is I would just hit connect, or I can message them, send them a LinkedIn message. We would say, "Hi, doctor, let's connect." So I can hit send invitation, and then I can follow up on a message with them later. Okay, so I hope this is helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions.